Good afternoon, Ankita ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you, baby?
I am fine.
Where are you
How are you,
joining
ma'am?
from? I'm absolutely doing wonderful. Thanks for asking. Where are
Yes,
you joining from?
I'm from Maharashtra, district Pune. So, how was your day, ma'am?
My day has been going really well. I've been busy on a Saturday also. So, usually, this is not something, this is not a part of my routine. But yeah, today, Saturday is also busy. I'm busy on this platform. How about you?
Yeah, my morning was going very well,
Hmm?
and I'm feeling so fresh. So, yeah, please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, so I'm Dr. Ankita. I'm from Chandigarh and I love teaching, but mostly I work with professionals. So it is such a wonderful change to actually see you here on the platform. I've
Thank
never
you,
taught,
ma'am.
yes, I've never taught such young children, but amazing, amazing to find you here. And I just love the dolls and all the other caricatures that you have behind you. One is Doraemon. I'm afraid I don't know about the second one.
This is the Doraemon, this is the doll, and these are the books of mine that I have read.
Oh, you've already finished all these books.
Yes,
Oh, that's beautiful. So, who's your favorite writer?
my favorite writer is Sudhamurti, ma'am, and
Hmm.
Ruskin Bond also.
Okay. Okay. So, which book of Sudhamurti ma'am do you like the most?
How the bamboo got its bounty. It is the
Hmm.
book is from the five set of the Sudhamuti book. Then that's too interesting.
Hmm.
And yeah, this is the set of that Sudhamuti. So these are
Hmm.
the dogman, but
Hmm.
I have the set of five books of Sudhamuti. So one of that book is how the bamboo got its bounty. So there are the so many importance of the bamboo.
Yes, yes, yes. So, bamboo is this tall tree, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And Ruskin Bond. Can we discuss a little about Ruskin Bond as well?
Yes, Ruskin Bond stories are interesting. The stories are like same Sudhamuti books, and that stories are to creativity and nicely. So, and that's too adventurous also.
Sorry, can you come up again, please?
The books and the stories like I love there. So there are adventurous. So that
Adventurous. Okay. So
yeah,
that word
adventurous.
is adventurous.
Yeah, adventurous.
Yeah, adventurous.
Adventurous.
Brilliant. Yes. Yeah. So, once upon a time, I got an opportunity to meet Mr. Ruskin Bond.
How?
I was at some literature festival, so he had been visiting. So I got an opportunity. I got a book signed from him. So that was one of the greatest day of my life.
Oh wow! So do you have the sign now also? You kept it
Yes, I
still?
have that signed copy. Yes. And I
Okay,
love
where is
your
it now?
little library. Sorry?
Where is it? Where is that sign you take on now?
Oh, that book, I have donated that book to my college library. So I teach at a college. So whatever books I've already read, I put it in the college library so that other people can also read those books. Sharing is caring.
Okay,
Yeah?
that's really great.
Yes. So do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day.
Which class?
I am in fourth standard.
Fourth standard. And how old are you?
I am 9 years old, and today is holiday.
Today's holiday. Oh, so your exams are going on.
Yes, on Monday we have the exam, but today is Saturday, so on weekend we have holiday.
So every Saturday is an off for you?
Yes, every Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, wonderful. So what do you usually do when you have an off from school?
I do the study, and when I get the homework on the Friday, I complete it, and then I play some more games, and I enjoyed a lot, and
Hmm.
read stories and books.
Okay, so which is the favorite game? Are you fond of outdoor games or indoor games?
I'm fond of like indoor games like board games, chess, then business, Uno, and cars.
Okay, and have you played that game, a game of life? It's like it's also a board game.
Game of life, I don't know that. Could you
Okay,
explain?
yes, so it is a kind of a simulated game. Like you have a simulated life on that board, and every person is given a car, and you roll the dice. Whatever number you land up on, then you move those many places, and whatever is given in that place, you have to do that, and there is money that you earn. So it's just like a simulation, and at the end every person has to count the amount of money that they have. So the person who has the maximum amount of money is declared the winner.
Oh, it's similar like business only.
Yes, 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 it's similar to monopoly and business.
Yes,
Yes,
so when we like play that cons and then we get the country name. So we have
yes,
to that much money. We have to give the equal money to everyone and some
yes,
money to bank. So bank
yes.
means we make a small card bank. So there we
Mm,
then we have the money so that we have to give that money to bank of that
mm,
country's rupees like
mm,
3,200, 3,500. So then we have to give it, and then we got a card. We have to take a card
mm,
of that
mm,
country like United States of America, Canada,
mm,
Europe, like that. And then we
mm,
have to take the card, and if the
mm,
another player come on our place that we have taken the card,
mm.
and then that another player have to pay the rent of that.
Yes, yes, I've played that game also, because my son is also, just like you. He's 8 years old. You're 9 years old, he's 8 years old. So he makes me play all these games, Monopoly and Game of Life and Uno. So yeah, that's why I know all these games.
Okay, that's really nice.
Yeah. So I'm actually getting fond of you, and you're a brilliant speaker. Where did you learn such amazing English from?
Like I just learn it. So then I have a channel. So I talk with people. I read the conversations, read stories, and read English newspaper. Then I get some vocabulary, learn step by step, and come on this platform and speak. Yes,
So,
and
would you please
and
mind?
I'm speaking this language from 2 years.
Okay, beautiful. So what you have a YouTube channel? I'll subscribe it today. What is the name of your channel?
My channel name is English with Tanishka.
Oh, I'll definitely subscribe it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, how many subscribers do you have?
I have 2,000 plus subscribers.
Oh, brilliant. So do you post content every day, or it is on the weekends that you make the content?
Like I did the conversations, the upload the videos sometimes or some days or like that. So her
Mm.
choice is like when she get the time to edit the video and upload on the channel, she upload the video. Yes.
Who? Your mother? Your mother runs your channel.
Yeah, my means I do the conversations and
Hmm.
she edit the videos and upload on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, so she's your editor in chief.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So where do you get the topics from? Like, how do you decide what content I have to create, and what will my viewers like? So do you read the comments and act accordingly, or it is just whatever comes to your mind, you do that?
Like I specifically say like I have to do the conversations and upload on the
Hmm.
channel. So
Hmm.
and story narrations also. So
Hmm.
I narrate a story and upload on that. Means it is my solo video and the conversations video also that I do here. Upload
Okay.
on the
Okay.
channel.
All right. So the conversations that you have here are also uploaded on your channel.
Yes, and they are all uploaded.
Okay, that's beautiful, Tanishka. I'm so happy. I'll also be there on your YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Oh, now I get it. Wow, that's like a great opportunity to be with you.
Yes.
Yeah. And you have such a beautiful smile.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I loved
Yes.
having this conversation with you. You're a wonderful speaker. Keep up the good work.